Hi, and welcome to TMA Trucks A to Z. My name is Samantha. I'm the marketing director here at Royal Truck and Equipment. Today, we're going to go through a truck that is awesome. It's called our TMA Hook and Go. The really cool thing about the Hook and Go is that it is one truck body for multiple uses. So the latest Government Fleet magazine just took out a statistic that said 30% of heavy equipment fleets are not utilized. 30%! That means if you can get one truck, now this truck here is for a customer in Texas, that's why it's different colors, but if you can have one truck that you can put multiple bodies on, we're talking mind-blowing operational fleet costs going down. That is awesome. So this video today, we're gonna go through how it works, how to take off the body, and we'll go through some other bodies that you can use it for as well. Awesome.
Good afternoon, folks. I'd like to introduce you to Keith Williams. He's gonna assist us today with the release and reattachment of your hook and go body. First and foremost, we need to know here are your 3 disconnection points. These 3 plugs right here need to make sure that they're disconnected prior to beginning the process of removing the hook and go body. As you can see, we also set up a safety quick disconnect in case these plugs weren't detached so that there isn't any damage to them. It's incredibly important that once you get back in the truck and before you start this process that you remember that 1, the truck is in neutral, and 2, that the brakes are released.
To start this process, first of all, you have to have your air pressure all the way up to 120 or the PTO will not turn on. So then you press the PTO button, you will hear the PTO engage, and you're ready to go.
When Royal builds our hook and go bodies, we don't just take a standard body and slap some rails on it to make it hook and go ready. We completely design the body to the specifications and geometry of the frame, the capacity of the axles, and the hoist we will be using. Doing this ensures that the body will always perform perfectly and that there'll be no imbalance or safety concerns with the integrity of the truck, hoist, frame, or body. So now you see the attenuator is fully deployed. And obviously, since this truck is for a Texas customer, as you'll see right here, we have specialty striping on the back of that attenuator. But here's the really neat thing about a hook and go concept, is that no matter what you need for the truck, whether it is an attenuator on the back, you can roll that off, put your dump body on, throw your water tank body on. Maybe if you have a forestry truck body, which we're getting so many inquiries for, forestry customers that need a TMA truck as well because it's so dangerous on the roads today. We are seeing fleet utilization going down. I'll give you an example. If you have 1,000 units in your fleet, the studies have shown that if you change 100 of those trucks into a hook and go type truck with multiple uses, you're instantly going to save $300,000 in operating costs. That's awesome. So this truck here has a 25 light aero board just because the specifications for Texas. You notice the solar panels on top of it, obviously to keep that aero board going if you're having a ton of night operations, etc. This truck specifically has an 18-foot body. Now, hook and goes can go on a 15-foot body as well, so that's fine if that's the type of truck that you want. It's a little bit smaller. This is kind of a hefty truck here. It's kind of bigger, but white racks, blue racks, black racks, bulkhead, whatever color that is, that's totally fine. That doesn't make a difference. That's up to you as a customer or the person that's using that truck. But it is important to notice that when you do have a hook and go that has a TMA body with it, that inside there is that one-touch system that the attenuator goes down simultaneously as that aero board is going up. Why is that so important? Because you don't want someone to put that attenuator down and your aero board's up and then they accidentally put the attenuator back up to store it and that aero board's still there and gets damaged. So you want to make sure it has that one-touch system where they're moving at the same time. I hope you learned a lot today about the TMA Hook and Go that can transform into a ton of other bodies. The Hook and Go concept has just been getting so much buzz lately because of its versatility and obviously because it can cut some costs in your fleet. So one truck, multiple uses, one worker, training them on how to use multiple bodies. It's really, really nice. So if you have a Hook and Go or a hook lift truck in your fleet, I'd love to hear about it. We'd love to know more. Leave a comment. And if you liked us, give us a thumbs up. And we'd love to know other shows that you guys would like to see. So tune in again. We hope to see you soon. Thanks.